White and gold, baby. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the New Balance OmN1s Rain. This shoe is the third colorway to come out after the OG colorway and the Return of the Fun Guy Clippers colorway. This colorway is not necessarily a championship colorway. Kawhi's already dropped his championship pack after they won. But with the color scheme of white and gold, it might as well be a championship colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a red and white flip top box with the New Balance logo on the front and at the top of the side, and the colorway is white and gold. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly white upper with a gold strap wrapping around the shoe, and that's the majority of the colorway. Taking a look at the toe, you've got a knit toe box as well as a knit toe cap. This is all white. Moving towards the tongue, you've got this white band going around the tongue that says New Balance on it. And the actual tongue is a white mesh tongue with a tongue tag that says OmN1s on it with a little basketball, and that's white on white. Moving towards the heel, you've got the white upper with more of the New Balance elastic band, and you've got more knit detailing, and the ankle collar is supported with this gold strap that doesn't really look gold. It's more like a brownish colorway, but on it is this white N for New Balance. The heel is white with this padded section by the heel counter and more of the gold strap. And this is a leather gold strap, by the way. The leather gold strap wrapping around the ankle. And you've got a white back tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white knit base with the New Balance elastic band. And you've also got the gold strap wrapping around the shoe. The shoe features a fuel cell midsole, which is a basketball-based midsole. Think Bounce for Adidas. That's kind of like what it feels similar to. When you're playing on court, it's like kind of like Bounce. And the shoe features a translucent icy outsole with the New Balance logo in white. This is not necessarily my favorite colorway of the OmN1s. My favorite colorway is actually the OG colorway, but it's a really clean, solid colorway, and I think that it's super dope. The OmN1s, not a lot of people have actually seen it and worn it yet. It's actually a really comfortable shoe. And at $140, it's also got a great price point as well. Basketball wise, it's very responsive on court. This shoe seems like it has like this super throwback appeal with modernized detailing. Like this padding on the back, that's super late 80s and 90s basketball signature shoe. And like this elastic band, it's almost as if New Balance hasn't made a basketball shoe in 20 years. They had the Red Mamba's shoe years ago when he played for the Spurs. I remember he used to wear New Balance, but for the most part, New Balance hasn't had a large share in the basketball market since like James Worthy. So it is nice that Kawhi's decided to go with New Balance. It's such a Kawhi move, but they've been pumping out really great colorways, and they've got about 6 or 7 colorways coming out in the next month and a half. This is being filmed in November of 2019. Yeah, I think it is really dope all around. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost.
I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching.